Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by deciding you want change and making a concrete plan. Write one clear goal now. Once decided, clear immediate triggers, remove or hide your top 3 addictive foods and stock healthy swaps. Next, track every eating moment for 7 days. Note time, hunger 0 to 10, and emotion. This baseline shows patterns and why cravings hit. Make sure you also set one simple rule: no eating straight from packages, and commit to it for the trial week. Once you have baseline data, restructure meals to reduce craving spikes, prioritize protein and fiber to lengthen satiety, and avoid abrupt blood sugar swings. You should practice a 10-minute delay tactic when cravings strike. Drink a full glass of water, breathe, and assess true hunger. Meanwhile, replace habitual eating cues with short activities. Walk, call a friend, or do 5 minutes of chores so you break automatic patterns. Make sure to schedule balanced snacks and regular meals to prevent extreme hunger that will sabotage progress. You finish by turning new practices into a steady routine and planning maintenance. Schedule meals, set one planned treat weekly, and keep portions realistic. Once stable, do weekly check-ins, review your food log, mood, sleep, and activity, and adjust triggers or routines as needed. If you start slipping, don't wait. Analyze the immediate trigger, reset your rules, and restart the plan within 24 hours to prevent collapse. One key troubleshooting tip: if cravings persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.